Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Plug in your iPhone and ensure battery is above 50% or keep it charging throughout. Once done, back up to iCloud or your computer so you can restore if something goes wrong. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and that you know your Apple ID password. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. This starts the check. You're initiating the process so the phone can download the update package safely. You tap Download and Install, and if asked, enter your passcode to authorize. The device verifies and then downloads the update. This can vary with file size and connection speed, so be patient. Once the download completes, your iPhone will prepare the update and then prompt to install now or later. Choose Install Now to proceed immediately. Make sure the phone stays connected to power and Wi-Fi. Interruptions during installation can prolong or halt the process, so avoid using data or restart it. You complete the update when the iPhone restarts and shows the Apple logo. Follow any on-screen setup prompts like Face ID or passcode entry. Once finished, confirm the new version in Settings under General and About. If something goes wrong, first free up space, restart the phone, and attempt the update again. If it still fails, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to update or restore. This method recovers devices that can't complete over the air, and it preserves your backup if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.